जय जिजाऊ जय शिवराय. स्वागत आहे आपल्या सर्वांचे आपल्याच यूट्यूब चॅनलवरती. आणि ज्यांनी माझ्या यूट्यूब चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब केलेलं आहे त्यांचे आभार, आणि ज्यांनी सबस्क्राईब केलेलं नाही ते त्यांच्या वेळेनुसार केव्हा पण सबस्क्राईब करू शकतात. तसेच जर हा व्हिडिओ आपणास आवडला असेल तर आपण या व्हिडिओस लाईक करू शकता. अन्यथा आपणास आवडला नसेल तर आपण यास डिसलाईक करून खाली कॉमेंट करू शकता. चला तर मग सुरू करूया आजचा हा व्हिडिओ. Exercise 21. Be ready. Start. I may be with you on Monday, the 4th of May. Full stop. If you will be ready when I come, I shall be happy to take the ride with you to the show. Full stop. I think you will enjoy the ride and you may take a fair share of the game. Full stop. How do you like the new book? Question mark. I think you were right to take away when you were feeling weary. Full stop. I have had a talk with Webb and Duke, who were both at the party on Monday. Full stop. I saw Booth today and he will be with us at the show. Full stop. If you should know anybody who can share the work of the opera with us, I shall be happy to know. Full stop. I have a new camera which I should like to show you when I see you. Full stop. I shall be happy to see you tomorrow if you can come. Full stop. Over. Exercise 22. Be ready. Start. Why do you think he was aware of the likely failure of the firm? Question mark. I thank you for the tube of color which I think should be all right. Full stop. They deny they were at the tower at the time of the fire. Full stop. I think you owe the head an apology for the way you hurried away on Monday. Full stop. If he were aware of the date, he would, I think, have come with us. Full stop. Kenneth Doyle, whose view all of us share, wrote to say he would arrive at 5. Full stop. I think too much time was given to the topic. Full stop. What do you think? Question mark. Over.